Welcome to 3800 Plowden Road, Unit C4. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 full bath, 2-story townhome style apartment located in the Rosewood area in Columbia. It's convenient to I-77 as well as I-26 near Owens Field, as well as Owens Field Park, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia and USC. So we're out front. You can see there's open parking in the lot out front. You have a covered front entry here as you come in. The inside has been updated with luxury vinyl plank, hardwood look flooring, both down and upstairs. You do have carpeting on the stairs itself. So as we enter, you can see you have the kitchen off to our right, off the entry. You have resurfaced countertops in here as well as in the bathroom, and also an included refrigerator and electric stove. You have a window there in the corner as well. And you can see that the kitchen is open out to the dining area and living room. So an open floor plan layout. You can see there's a ceiling fan in the living room. And also on this wall you have your laundry closet beneath the stairs. So you have full-size washer dryer connections in there. And then at the back end you have a sliding glass door out to the covered patio space out back, and you do have an exterior storage room there that is lockable also. And then you can see the dining area sort of tucked in between the kitchen and living room. So our 2 bedrooms and the full bath are upstairs. And as you get up there, you can see that flooring again continues. So you have 1 bedroom here. This is the larger of the 2, has 2 closets and faces the back of the unit. And then you can see the bathroom here is off the hall. So you have single vanity in here and shower and tub, as well as the floors that we mentioned and that resurfaced countertop and tub in there. And then you have a linen closet, as well as your 2nd bedroom, which faces the front of the unit. You can see the closet there. It's sort of a shallow walk-in, but you do have a bit of floor space in addition to the hanging space there up top. So that completes our tour of this unit, 3800 Plowden Road, C4. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.